Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest in beauty trends, tips, and product reviews. Today, we're diving into a lip product that's sure to grab your attention, the Kiko Milano Metal Liquid Lip Color in 01 Rosy Nude. If you're someone who loves a high-coverage lip with a touch of metallic shine, this might be the perfect product to add to your makeup arsenal. Kiko Milano's Metal Liquid Lip Color promises a lot. It's a liquid lipstick designed to give you a high-coverage, metallic finish with a glossy, high-shine look. What sets it apart from other liquid lipsticks? Well, it's got that creamy texture that makes for a smooth application, and the flocked applicator promises to make it easy and precise. Now let's get into the details of how this product performs in the real world. When I first tried the Kiko Milano Metal Liquid Lip Color, I was immediately impressed by its texture. The formula is creamy, which means it glides on smoothly without tugging or drying out the lips, something that's often a concern with liquid lipsticks. As soon as I applied it, I noticed the metallic finish, which isn't overly flashy, but gives a subtle yet noticeable shine. It's the perfect balance between glam and everyday wearability, making it versatile enough for both casual and more polished looks. The application was straightforward, thanks to the flocked applicator. I found that it helped me create a clean, defined lip line without needing to rely on a lip liner. A little goes a long way, which is always a bonus with liquid lipsticks. The color, Rosy Nude, is a beautiful, muted pink that can easily complement a wide range of skin tones. Now let's talk performance. The lipstick held up surprisingly well throughout the day. I wore it to work, had a coffee, and even snacked. Yet it didn't wear off in patches, which is a huge win for a high-coverage product. However, I did notice a slight fade in the inner part of my lips after a few hours. But that's to be expected with most lipsticks, especially metallic formulas. One thing to note is that while the product feels hydrating on the lips initially, it does have a tendency to settle into lip lines as the day goes on. This is something I've found with other metallic liquid lipsticks, so it's not a huge surprise, but it's worth mentioning if you're someone who's sensitive to that. In terms of pros, the texture is creamy and comfortable, the color payoff is fantastic, and the applicator makes it easy to get a precise, clean application. The metallic finish is just the right amount of shine, nothing too intense, but definitely noticeable. On the downside, it can settle into lip lines over time, and the shade might not be for everyone, especially if you're not into metallic finishes. As for value for money, I would say this product is worth it if you're looking for a high coverage, metallic finish that's easy to apply and comfortable to wear. The price point is reasonable, especially when you consider the quality of the formula and the unique finish it provides. That said, if you're not into metallic lips or prefer a matte look, this might not be your go-to product. If you're someone who likes a classic, matte finish, but wants to try something with a little more shine, you might consider products like the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, which provides long-lasting matte color, or the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint for a liquid lipstick that still offers a lot of color payoff, but with a more traditional finish. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels solid and sleek. It's a simple tube with a well-designed applicator, making it easy to use even on the go. There's nothing overly flashy about the packaging, but it does the job well and feels durable. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with different textures and finishes in your makeup routine, this could be a great addition. It gives you a fun, high-shine metallic look without being too out there. On the flip side, if you're after a more understated or long-wearing lip product that won't need much touch-up, you might want to skip this one. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you want to try out the Kiko Milano Metal Liquid Lip Color, you can find the link to purchase it in the description box below. And if you've used this product, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.